How to fix TikTok not letting me upload profile picture. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix TikTok not letting me upload profile picture. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your TikTok. Then log in into your account and go to your profile on the bottom right corner. On your profile on the bottom right, here you can upload your profile picture. But if TikTok is not letting you or there is any kind of error, this is what you do. Tap on the three lines on the top right, head over to settings and privacy, then scroll down. There you will see different options, but head over to this cache and mobile section. There go to free up space and let it calculate its cache. So all you have to do is clear out its cache. So let's finish it calculating and then tap on clear after the calculating's done. Tap on clear cache. After you clear out your cache, what will happen is TikTok will, it might allow you to then upload your profile picture. So you can try that out. But if after doing that, it does not allow you to clear out your cache, you can head back, go to your app store, search for TikTok. Search for TikTok on your app store. What we'll do is we will actually search for any updates available for TikTok. So if you see an update button instead of open, simply tap on the update button and update your app, as updates usually come with bug fixes and more security patches. So that might fix the problem that you're facing. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.